Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Diamond Sister. Today is the 15th of July and it's going to be the last video and then I'll do it next week. So as you can see, there is this frozen globe and a slime that you can see it. So I'm going to show you if you think this is going to be a frozen slime because it's so glittery and looks like diamond. So as you can see, this is what it looks on the inside. Take it out. It's just a little bit. So it's actually very sticky in the first. But as you can see, it's like very glittery and those metallic silver you can buy with those kind of putty sets they sell at squishy stores maybe. I mean, it's called Crazy Aaron's Putty Set. It looks one of these, but I'm trying to make slime not petty. So this is metallic silver glitter. And if you can see properly, I call it Dazzling Diamond, and it's scented by a hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works because using Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers are so good. Their beauty things they have there are so good. So this is so diamond like this, but should I call it frozen or dazzling diamond? Because I actually wanted to call it ice. I want to call it frozen icy or maybe icy. Actually I want to call it glitter icy. I want to call it icy, but then there was this name called dazzling diamond up in my mind on one of the videos I made. Whatever. So that's why I want you guys to watch this video. Comment down below what should I call it, or if you guys have any names you made up, call it, and then I'll make one video of you guys like answering the names, and I will review it in a video, and then I'll see which one is the best name for this. So that's all for now, and I hope you like, and of course comment down below and subscribe. So bye guys.